What's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is Cut to the Chase Fashion. If you're new to my YouTube channel, I'm Chase Tyler and I'm a men's big and tall influencer, fashion content creator, and YouTuber. And for today's video, I have an unboxing from the company ThredUp. I've been trying to do this video for about a month and a half now, but unfortunately I got sick with the flu right before the holidays, and then time just went. The rest of the year just closed out, and so I didn't really have time, but I'm finally getting to it. As you can see, I've already opened it. I've been using one of the items that I got, but without further ado, let's unbox and get into today's video. So, if you don't know, ThredUp is a company that recently took over like Instagram, TikTok, social media last year because it is basically it's a thrift store all-in-one app. This isn't sponsored. I bought these items myself. But what I love about it is that this is the best way to really get a variety of items. Now, currently they only offer women's, girls, and boys. So hopefully in the future they'll offer men's. I can maybe see if myself, I can maybe start selling my old items on ThredUp. But what I love about ThredUp is that they're really all about sustainability and secondhand. And what I love about it as well is that they have really good items that are sold by sellers that are like your favorite designer brands. So in this box I got two bags. I got a work bag, which is from the brand BCBG Max Azria, and I also got a vintage Christian Lacroix bag. So I'm so excited to unbox. Let's unbox. I'm just gonna set my phone down. And this is basically a cute little box that it comes in, as you saw, and then it also says on the other side, thank you for choosing used, which I love. So we're gonna pretend like this is the first time I'm opening this, even though it's not. But here it is. And then on it, what it basically just says is thrift loudly, to reject throwaway fashion, to stand up for sustainability, to celebrate secondhand, to prioritize our planet, to fight fashion waste, and to inspire others. And then it also has a few little facts on the other side. 36 billion clothing items are thrown away each year in the US, which is astronomical and ridiculous. 95% of what we use, 95% of which could be reused or recycled. And by thrifting, you're giving these items a second life, which I absolutely love. And it also comes with a cute little note card. I guess gives it, show that a little bit better. A little note card that comes with information. And it says, thank you for contributing to a more sustainable future for fashion. If everyone like you bought one item used this year, it would save 5.7 billion pounds of CO2 emissions, 25 billion gallons of water, and 449 million pounds of waste. So really, this is really good because it's hard because especially with, sustainable fashion and things like that, if you're on a budget, I know how hard it can be, but I honestly really highly recommend buying secondhand because you give items a chance for new life. For an example like this, this was my dad's sweater, and then he gave it to me because I really liked it. I've had this since I was in middle school. Well, I would say middle school, early high school, and I still have it, and it still looks really good. It's a Sean John sweater, big and tall. I believe it's like a size 4X. I wear this every holiday season, every cold, fall and winter season because it fits me still and it still looks brand new. And I highly recommend buying secondhand because you're giving items a new life, and secondhand is usually, like I said, a thrift store. So the items aren't, full price. They're oftentimes, as cheap as, $5 or $7, but at least it's the clothes that are given a second home, and they're not going to waste, they're not ending up in landfills, and they're not just getting thrown out. First is this BCBG Max Azria bag. I've already been using this for my work bag. I'm gonna set this down. I've already been using this as my work bag. I absolutely love it because I was drawn to it because of the size of it. It's a great size for a laptop bag, a work bag. It fits my laptop charger. What else? It fits my, I can't think of it. My external hard drive, charger, phone, keys, wallet, literally like everything. And what I love about it too is that it is a durable leather tote. I loved the metal studs on the side. which was a nice touch, kind of gives it an edgy look. And what I loved about it is that it was kind of like a worn leather material, like because you know this is secondhand. But what I loved about it too was that I loved how many compartments there are. There's my planner and everything like that. But I have a compartment for my books. I can't talk. I have a compartment for my planner, my wallet, a zipper pouch for my phone and keys. So when I'm out and about, I don't have to worry about things falling out, or if, God forbid somebody were to take this bag, they wouldn't just be able to automatically see my wallet. And it also snaps. Now when my laptop is in it, it can't close, but that's completely fine. And then it just has the BCBG Max Azria logo on the side, but I absolutely love it. And the best part about this is that I got this at 74% off. Plus, I also used influencer Hilo Lux is 30% off code that she had at the time. So this was only $96.99. Originally $374, I believe. So I got a really good deal for this. And this is a bag that I'm going to take with me everywhere. I already have been taking it with me everywhere to work every day. And what I love about it too is that it's a durable bag that I know is going to last me. I don't have to worry about the scraps breaking. Even if they are, it's nothing to just have them replaced and keep using the bag. And it's just a really great timeless bag. It'll never go out of style. I love the worn leather look of it because, like I said, and I have been saying, it is secondhand. But it's just a really great work bag. And I mean, honestly, it's unisex. It looks, very cool, and it's just something different. I don't have anything like this. I haven't really taken out because I haven't had a place to take this. But it is this vintage Christian Lacroix bag. I absolutely love black and white. Black and white is basically for neutrals, my wardrobe aesthetic. I wear all black to work. Sometimes I'll wear, other neutrals or anything like that. But black and white is in my everyday wardrobe, and I love the brand Christian Lacroix. I absolutely love this bag. Because the first one I saw it, I was like, I don't know if it's too small or too tiny, but just on my hand. And it also has bag strap hooks, so if I wanted to add a longer strap to make it longer, I could. There is the Christian Lacroix logo. Sorry, the lighting's a little bright, but there's the Christian Lacroix logo. And again, what I loved about this bag was I loved how much space it has. It has tons of compartments. It can keep me organized. I can put a whole bunch of stuff in there, and in here, excuse me. I can put a whole bunch of stuff in here, and it's a really great bag because, again, this is a bag that'll never go out of style. I will have this forever as long as I want to keep it. I'm a big fan of Christian Lacroix, so this is probably a bag that I wouldn't get rid of. I would maybe, if I decided to get rid of it, I would maybe give it to a friend or maybe my mom because she also loves Christian Lacroix, and black and white is also her style aesthetic. But I absolutely love this bag. I also love that on the front it has more storage. I love the black and white striped lining. This is just a classic bag that's great for every day if you want it, or for a special occasion, like if I were going out, or maybe if I wanted to take this as a carry-on on a flight with me, because it just holds just enough. Phone, keys, wallet, all that good stuff. But I really, really like it. And this one was, I believe, I'm gonna check on my phone. Okay, this one was originally $95 and it was 78% off. Plus I had 35% off from using the 30% off code from Hilo Lux. So this was only $22.99. I sometimes spend more on lunch or dinner sometimes. This, for a vintage Christian Lacroix bag, $22.99 is a steal. So I highly recommend trying ThredUp. I highly recommend. I'm not sponsored. This is not sponsored. But I mean, in total, so basically in total for the BCBG bag and this bag, my subtotal came to $119.98. Then I used the discount code for 35, which took off $35.99. And then shipping and handling was free because of the amount that I spent. I paid $7.03 in tax, so it came to $91.02. So basically, I got 2 bags for the price of 1. You can't beat it. And these are really great pieces that are going to last me forever and ever. They'll never go out of style. And if you're going to invest, or rather, if you're going to buy secondhand, this is the best way for you to find pieces that, you know, from your favorite brands. But for, you know, just starting out, you're on a budget, you want to look fabulous, you want to look great, I highly recommend trying ThredUp. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a comment below if you have any recommendations on where else I can shop secondhand. I'd love to find new places. And I hope you guys have a great day or night, depending on when you're watching this. And I will see you guys soon. Bye, friends.